Hello, my name is David Mulligan and I'm the Head of Department of Mechatronic Engineering here at ATU Sligo. So today I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to our Level 7 offering that you see on the CAO called Mechatronic Engineering. So what is Mechatronic Engineering? Well, it's a mix of mechanical engineering, electronic engineering and computing. And really it's the discipline of engineering wherever you need an electronic solution to speak to a mechanical solution. And the bridging technology here is the computing element. Engineering, and in particular mechatronic engineering, uses science, technology and maths to design and build robots and to automate a process or a machine. This is a great space to be in, as it's a widely used skill set in all industry sectors, especially where automation is required. We see in the Irish economy that the energy system is booming. Again, renewable energies is a space that mechatronic engineers play a vital role in. The ICT sector, of which the skill sets in mechatronics are applicable, is also a fastly growing industry. We've infrastructure and environmental is also a rapidly growing sector, especially to try and conserve energy and to use energy and protect the environment. This is often done through mechatronic monitoring systems, as we see in the data centers, of which we have a separate program that we run online. The biomedical sector and the manufacturing of these is a highly automated process of which mechatronic engineers play a vital role. The aerospace industry, so 7 of the top 10 industrial automation companies, including Siemens, ABB and Ericsson, are all in Ireland. And the medical devices is also a rapidly growing sector, and especially around the area of the Northwest. So places like Abbott's and AbbVie are all here in the Northwest and are all big employers of our mechatronic graduates. So it's a good space to be in, not just because it's an interesting area, but also because it's got a great starting salary to it. Engineers across the board are in high demand, and you see here that you can expect an average starting salary of €32,152, which is very competitive relative to the other disciplines and sectors. Always look at what type of subjects you'll be studying if you're choosing a course. That will give you a good indication as to whether you're going to like it or not. So, in mechatronic engineering, you will be studying the basic principles of mechanical engineering, so things like materials and mechanics, and you also study an introduction to electronic engineering as well, and the key subjects. And then as the years progress, you move more into your own space, which is things like robotics, automation, instrumentation and control, programming, vision systems, and then we also do a project build, where you get the opportunity to apply these skill sets to an industrial type problem. And of course, every engineering program is built on a foundation of maths and physics and engineering science. As I said before, we always get you to use these skill sets in mechatronic projects. And in the 3rd year, you get to do quite a robust project. As we see here, this particular student has built an automated robot that goes around and looks where there's fire. So the vision system tries to distinguish between what's natural light and what's fire, and extinguishes the fire. This one here is where the student was trying to get the robot to mimic different types of movement that he makes. So a camera that's built into his laptop was looking at him and seeing what movements he makes. This was fed back into the robot, and the robot was mimicking that movement. We've got more than traditional type automation projects as well, the likes of the machines that you would see on any manufacturing line in any of the big multinationals. Other students then experimented with different technologies such as drones. If you choose ATU Sligo, we have a great methodology of teaching engineering. So not only do we introduce you to the different types of theory that are relevant to the engineering space, but we also get you to apply this theory to everyday problems. And the methodology we choose is that we get you to look at a problem, we get you to design, we get you to analyze that design to see if it's fit for purpose. We get you to build it and to test it. And then we take lessons learned from that tests and we refine our designs. This is an approach that has served us very well in the past across engineering. We have always qualified to get into the top 5 candidates with Engineers Ireland Awards each year. and we've won these awards and quite a number of times, such as the 2 projects that you see there. So why IT Sligo? Well, all our courses at level 7 are accredited by Engineers Ireland. We've got a high level of graduate employability, and in fact, most employers are often ringing us in the department looking to get a chance to interview our students before they even graduate. We have very strong linkages with industry, especially in the Northwest. But we even have linkages with Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. We're the largest online mechatronic program that's in the country. And a lot of the industries, especially around the West and Northwest, but around the country and even around the world, use our online facility to upskill their employees. We've an excellent support from staff, and our staff are extremely approachable. We have a learning support centre as well that's available to you. So if you struggle with things like maths or writing, you can always go to the learning support centre where you get one-to-one tuition. We've got state-of-the-art facilities. We've got a healthy campus that we run, and there's quite a large number of sports and activities that you can be involved in, both on and off campus, with surfing out in Mullaghmore and other such activities. It's a very cost-effective place to live. So relative to the other counties that are in Ireland, Sligo is reasonably affordable. And then we are an ambitious campus, and we're going for a technological university where we're working with Letterkenny IT and GMIT. So by the time you graduate from IT Sligo, you'll actually be graduating not from IT Sligo, but from a technological university. If you can't choose and you're not 100% sure if mechatronics is for you, or indeed what engineering discipline is for you, then my advice to you would be to look at our general entry. Our general entry allows you to share a common first year with all other students and to have a little bit of experience with civil, mechanical, electronic and mechatronic so that you can make an informed choice in your second semester as which stream you would like to choose. And this is available both at level 6 and level 7 in its entry. If you need any more questions, then please go to our Facebook. So it's facebook.com/IT Sligo. And best of luck with your choice, and I hope you enjoy the day.